Greetings everybody, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Currently we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus in the book of Mark. My name is KAREN ROACH. For more information about me, please check the description box below. And don't forget to hit the like button, comment and share with all our friends on the family them. And most importantly, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you no miss out on any of the reading them every morning at 5 o'clock Jamaican time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
So today, I'm going to read from Mark 12:41 to 44. This about one woman who for husband dead offering. Jesus go sit down cross from where the offering box did there and watch the crowd of people where did a drop their money in the box. Not for the rich people them put in whole heap of money. Then him see one poor woman who for husband dead put in 2 little red money where hardly worth nothing, about 2 cents. Jesus call him follower them and said to them, say, me a tell you the truth. You see the poor woman, yeah, where her husband dead? She drop more in the offering box than all of them. Cause all of them get out of the whole heap with them have, cause them rich. But she, even though she so poor, she get everything she have to live off of. This a God word in the Jamaican language. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.